Hey guys, Coach B coming to you guys with this week's Getting Your Mind Right mental rep exercise of the week. I believe it's week 14. And what was the first 30 seconds of this video all about? That's our mental rep exercise of the week. Make time in your day to find a place outside in nature where you can just be. Talk about getting your mind right and being fit from the inside out. Being in nature, absorbing the beauty, the positive energy, enjoying the smells and aromas, the sights, the sounds of the birds. I think it's a universal thing. It impacts each one of us from the inside out. So make time. Everybody can find time to go outside, someplace in nature where you feel comfortable and just absorb the beauty that's all around you to help you get your mind right and to clean world-class shape. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week, but between now and then, believe it, bring it, achieve it. Take care. Bye-bye.